Hey guys, today I just want to make a very quick video here showing some cool things you can do with your HTC One X after you have been unlocked the bootloader and rooted it, and I've made videos about that, how you can go ahead and do that. So after you've done that, that will basically unlock your device, as you can here, unlock the bootloader to do a lot of crazy things, and you should also be careful over here so you don't F up your phone. But I've tried out one of the best tweaks and hacks that you can get right now for your HTC One X. It is from a guy called Leedroid, or yeah, he is calling it Leedroid Tweaks. If you go ahead and open up here, I've installed it here on my HTC One X over here, and you get a ton of new things you can go ahead and tweak with your Android smartphone. So this is version 1.0 at the moment. He is recently updated from 0.5 to 1.0. So the first cool things you can do is you have some battery options and some clock options. So if you go ahead and go here to the battery, first you have the battery textile. You can see a new battery logo there at the top. You can see that my battery status, as you can see right there, you can see it says like 89%. You can see that I removed the battery icon, but if you just go ahead and show it here, if you just go ahead over here and remove this one, hide the text, it will remove that one, and then I just made so I can see the battery icon again there, because I did actually remove it, but now it's back. Also you can go ahead here, yeah, hide the battery icon, awesome. Show MIUI battery bar, so you can see one thing there at the top. And now let's just go ahead and change the size so we can go ahead and see it. This seems to be something that many MIUI phones have. So 25, that's pretty big, but then you can see one bar here at the top. So as you can see right now, it will go down to 0, but right now it's kind of high because I have like 98%. So if you want a bar up there that's going down, use as in like MIUI, you can go ahead and fix that stuff. I don't like that, so I'm just gonna go ahead and remove it. Then we also have some other things. If you go ahead and pick this battery textile again, regular, and let's remove the battery icons. So let's say you don't want to have the battery icon, but you want that cool little text up there, but you don't like the green color. Then you can pick an automatic color or a static color. Let's go ahead and pick a static color over here. Let's see, we always want it to be in the color blue. Yeah, blue. Then you can have it in blue up there if you want. Right now my camera has some problems. The blue color is turning out to be another color in the camera. Let's go ahead and pick red. Red is probably a bad one, but then you also could have custom, so you can have the regular color, you can have the charging color, and then the medium level color if you want to go ahead and do those badass things. But let's go ahead and pick let's go ahead and click on this one over here, automatic color. And if you just go ahead and go down here, you have the MIUI battery bar if you want to have that one instead. If you just go ahead and go back now, you can also see that we have some clock options. So if you just go ahead and tap on the clock, clock style, so we can have the clock used as in the Apple iPhone. Let's see here, I have my Apple iPhone over here. So as you can see on my Apple iPhone, I have the clock there in the middle. You can also go ahead and do that right here, center. That's that simple to do it. If you have AM PM, you can go ahead and disable that. The clock color, if you also want to go ahead and change that, you can go ahead and do so. Very easy. Yeah, and that's the battery and the clock options. And then they also have the enable landscape rotation and enable unlock animation. Unlock animation, I'm not quite sure what that is, but I assume that you can go ahead and change the animation. I do know that you can that. But landscape rotation, that's basically so you can go ahead and use your phone like this. Now, ain't that pretty cool? I don't think this is available in the beginning, but I gotta say that's quite nice actually. That's quite nice if you like that more. So that's a quick little thing that you can go ahead and do over there. If you just go ahead and open it up again, and of course you can go ahead and disable it if you don't like that. If you just go ahead, here we got some other alternatives. If you just go ahead and scroll down here to the other side, you can see this is one of my favorite features. We can enable the Android the open source project, that lock screen, the ICS lock screen. So as you can see right now, I'm having the Sense lock screen at the moment. Okay. Oh, wait a sec. Let's go ahead and turn it down a little bit again. You can see that I'm running on Sense here. If you don't like that one, if you want the Android open source lock screen, then we can go ahead and enable that. And we have a bunch of different settings how we can change it. And then also you have the volume control settings here. You can customize the buttons. And unlocking here, you can actually unlock it with your home button or the menu button or the back button. Now, I don't think this works with the capacity buttons down here. I did try it out, but it would be pretty awesome if it did work to unlock it with this button up here in the front, but I haven't got that to work. But if you go ahead and enable that, you need to go ahead and restart it. And you need to have root access for that, because the first time you're going to do it, it's going to ask you for enable root and blah blah, or like grant the user access for that. So it's something that you might want to know over there. Okay, there we go. So as you can see, it has started up right now, and you can see that I'm running on the ICS lock screen, the stock one, as you're gonna get on the Nexus one, and you can quickly go ahead. Wait a sec. Did it work? Wait a sec. No, it didn't work. But you get a quick access to the camera if you never have tried that out before. Wait a sec, it seems like I'm running on another camera app right now. Seems like I'm using the ICS. No, wait a sec. Where the hell is my... Okay, whatever. Let's just go ahead and go back. Put it down here again. If you think this is annoying that it's changing mode like this, of course you can disable it. Very, very simple. If you don't like that, if you only want to use your phone like this. Now, if you just go ahead and load up the app again one more time, we have some more custom tweaks, I think. But that's the favorite one with this little zip file that you just can go ahead. Leedroid tweaks, that's the tweak that you can just go ahead and install using the Clockwork Mod Touch, as I've already made a video on how you can go ahead and install. But under open source lock screen, I'm gonna use that, and then you can go ahead and hide the time, hide the date, do some custom things there with the lock screen. If you just go ahead and go over here, wait a sec, there was one thing that I forgot to show you. I think it was in, yeah, notification bar caption. If you want some custom text when you scroll down up here, you can have that. Let's say you want the text, yo dog, what's up my nigga, or something. I'm not sure. You may want to have that. I'm not sure. Okay, yo dog, my nigga. Okay, there we go. Let's go ahead. You need to apply that. Yes, yes, of course I want. It's gonna restart the notification bar up there in the top. There we go. And now when you go down, you can see the text, yo dog, or something. Oh, two dog, my nigga. Okay, I need to change that. But that's pretty cool, and that you can go ahead and have that if you want to. And then also if you go here, let's see, where were we? Yeah, you have some miscellaneous things here. Volume steps, if you don't like the volume steps right now. Auto backlight brightness, and then what else? Yeah, we have some R small things here. Long press home action, also one of my thing that I did change to like Google Chrome. Let's go ahead and tap on custom over here. Let's go ahead and change this. Recent apps, that's pretty clever to have. Okay, wait a sec, it doesn't want to work. But I have it at custom, so it will open up Google Chrome when I hold this one in. Long press home action. Okay, let's just restart the app. Some messed up thing, could be a bug. And yeah, also that they have changed this thing when you go ahead and tap on this one, but you can also obviously tweak that thing if you want to go ahead and do so. So if you just go ahead and hit long press. Wait a sec. Okay, whatever. I need to go ahead and try to see if I can fix that. But you can have actually the wrong... I got it to work before, earlier. Long press home action, I had it to Chrome beta. So when you hold this one in for a long time, it will open up that. So just a very quick video showing off Leedroid tweaks here on my HTC One X smartphone. If you have any other more awesome cool tweak that you want me to check out, or if you like them yourself, please let me know. But if you like the video, you can like it also. Bye bye.